Thought I'd do a little short video this morning showing off what I've gotten so far going here. This is part of another project, a much larger project, and this is just one part of it. But right here is the first DDS. Down here I got my Mega that's doing my controls, and over there is the MIDI in, goes into the Mega, and then this cable here carries the data over to this, which would be one of several voices. This is a Nano, and the Nano drives or operates 809833 DDS, which is running as a clock, and then it goes over here to a CD 4040 12-bit binary counter, which is then hooked to a AT28C256. It's hooked to the first 8 address lines, and the output of that, the data lines from that, go over to a 74 8C574, which is just an 8N line buffer, non-inverting buffer, and then it goes out here to my really bad little DAC there, one of the first DACs I built, but it still works, so I keep using it. And the concept is, in the first position of your memory chip here is 256 samples. Right now I have a sine wave and a triangle wave, and then you can use the address lines here to address more samples, different samples of different things. Eventually it will have the ramp waves and maybe even a square wave or some of the other things that you can address here. And as you can hear it, that's your triangle wave. And then you can go back to the sine wave. And the interesting thing is, if you clock between the two, you can get some really interesting sounds as well. So if we go over here and pick up this address line, say, or if we go pick up one of these address lines, so it has interesting possibilities there. Of course, you can actually and so I'm also working on FMing it. So let me set that up and I'll show that one off. So now this is the FM part I'm working on. Right now I just have it internally clocking. Of course on sine wave it's not real interesting. But if you grab one of these other waveforms, so I'm going to keep working on it. I hadn't decided if I want to have external inputs for the FM or not. Like I say, this is part of a much larger project, so it'll all depend on where I go from there. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching.